Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Skrill as payment method to Shopify store. So this can be so helpful for a couple of reasons, and very important to learn how to do so. But it's super simple but helpful because Skrill can really boost a large user base. There's a lot of actually huge user base in certain regions, particularly Europe, I believe, and Asia. And by offering the Skrill as a payment option, you can really tap into this potential customer pool who might prefer to use Skrill over the other methods. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to head over to login and of course head over to Shopify. And then we're gonna have to click on settings here, all right? Make sure you click on settings. And here you're gonna have to click on payment and then make sure you click on see all other providers. And also this is for testing your product, testing. This is for testing, but here we can find a third-party providers. Okay, so let's add payment method and here search by provider, and here I'm gonna search for Skrill. Okay, and voila, we have Skrill here. Click on it. And then here we can install it. We're gonna have to install this payment method and just click on install. As I said, it's very simple, nothing complicated. And now just enter your merchant ID, your email, secret word, and you'll be able to find this in developer settings, as you can see here. And Skrill account and go to settings. Now I could have show you this, but I've used this before, Skrill, in the past, but I don't use it anymore because I'm using Stripe. But it's very simple, as you can see the steps here. Just go to